In this question, you have to identify the correct sequence of events during mitosis. Now, the correct sequence of events during mitosis would be number 1, condensation of DNA so that chromosomes become visible during early to mid prophase. Number 2, nuclear membrane disassembly begins at late prophase or transition to metaphase. Number 3, arrangement of chromosomes at equator occurs during metaphase, which is known as congregation. Number 4, centromere divides or splitting occurs during anaphase, forming the daughter chromosomes. Number 5, segregation also occurs during anaphase as daughter chromosomes separate and move towards opposite poles. And number 6, telophase leads to formation of 2 daughter nuclei. So the correct sequence is condensation, then nuclear membrane disassembly, then arrangement at equator, centromere division, then segregation, and finally telophase. So the correct answer is option A. Now option B is incorrect because crossing over does not occur in mitosis. Rather, it is a feature of prophase 1 of meiosis. Option C is incorrect because this omits the step of nuclear membrane disassembly, which is very essential for spindle attachment to chromosomes. Now, option D is also incorrect because again crossing over does not occur in mitosis.